This is Sony's battery charger. The model is BCQZ1, designed for charging Sony Z series batteries. It's compact and charges about 40% faster than charging through the camera's USB port. Here's the charging indicator. It shows the battery's charging status. This is the battery terminal. When attaching, make sure the arrow on the charger lines up with the arrow on the battery. The charger comes with a power cord. Plug the power cord in here. A fully empty battery takes about 2.5 hours to charge. Let's try it now. Point the arrow in the same direction and attach the battery. There you go. The charging indicator lights up orange. Charging has started. When the battery reaches about 90%, the indicator switches off. Overall, the Sony charger is nicely designed, works great, and it's highly recommended.